This is how to make a 7-wrap bullion stitch in crochet using size 10 thread and a size 7 hook. I wrap over once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I snug everything up together, make sure the wraps are nice and even. Go into the appropriate stitch, yarn over, pull through, snug everything up again. Gently hold with my thumb these wraps while going 1/2 inch away, yarn over, hold the wraps, gently pull through, pull the loop up, chain 1, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, snug them up, make sure they're nice and even, go into the appropriate stitch, yarn over, pull through, snug everything up, wrap 1/2 inch away from the bullion stitch, hold with my thumb gently to keep the bullion stitch in place, pull through, chain 1. There you have bullion stitches.